There must have just been another big explosion, because that whole portion that you see right there has literally just come up in the last few seconds, in the last 30 seconds. That column was not nearly as big. If you look in the back side of that, you can watch it just grow. Look at this. This is crazy, guys. Sorry about that little shake there. Just get this steadier. Wow, look at that. Now you can see it growing. It's insane. Growing up on the back side of that. Another big explosion must happen just now. Look at that. Look at how fast it grows. Look at that. That is another explosion. Wow. Look at it. That is insane. And look at how much higher it's going into the sky now. Look, see, there's another explosion. You can see, I can't imagine what it sounds like over there. Look, there it goes, another one. It's a whole other something going. Nope, there's another one. Wow, look at it go. Impressive. Oh, something's blowing, blowing, blowing. So big that it knocks out portions of the cloud. Like, look at that. And then it comes back up barreling. Oh, all the poor farmers, all the poor fish, all the poor animals, every person that's in the way. This is bad news, people. Bad news. See how it's going higher into the air? Oh, see the chopper? Chopper! Oh, get down. Get down the chopper. Alright, well, I better get going.